The, the subject and object is an illusion. The mind and our language is structured in terms of subject-object. So if you look at the grammatical structure of our language, there are two things that have to be in every sentence for it to be a proper sentence grammatically. It has to have a subject and a verb. And a subject implies an object. So subject-object duality is implied in our very language, which is the primary tool in which we think. So language, mind, thought can't understand no subject-object. But experience is one. Experience is one. And the language and thought is like a metaphorical blade that cleaves the unitary experience into two and says, I'm looking at you. I'm talking to you. It's like a cartoon. Imagine watching a cartoon. Imagine watching The Simpsons. You've got it seems like there are all these different characters. Lots of different subjects and objects. There's just one. There's just one thing. It's just experience. And everything is inside this. Everything is just this experience. The cells, the organs, the atoms, the bodies, villages, towns, different levels of scale. Right down to the cells and the atoms, right up to towns, villages, cities, nations, planets, solar systems, galaxies. There's just this totality. Within it, there's apparent separation. There's the experience of what seems like lots of different things. So that experience doesn't change. It's just the interpretation of it changes. You can still use concepts like language. The body, mind will still use language, of course. It's a part of its programming. It's inbuilt. It's inbuilt into the human brain. But everything is just this one spirit, one awareness, one consciousness, one spirit. Cool, use whatever word you like. It's just the description of our experience. It's nothing special that I know. It's just a description of what you're already experiencing. It's not a special experience that Tom has that you don't have. It's what you already experience, but you maybe are believing your thoughts that interpret it in a different way. If you don't believe thoughts, then it's the same. So, Ramana says, any effort you can make to reduce thoughts, even just reduce one thought, it goes a long, long way to liberation.